Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Snapchat and confirming you're logged into the account you normally use. Once done, go to Settings and make sure Contacts, Camera, and Notifications permissions are enabled. These let the app show friend suggestions and recover contacts. Next, open the Add Friends screen, tap the profile icon, then Add Friends. Keep the person's username or phone number handy because you'll try search methods immediately. This speeds recovery and narrows false positives. You should type the exact username into search first. Snapchat prioritizes exact matches, and this often reveals removed friends. If that fails, enter their phone number in search or check your sync contacts for linked Snapchat accounts. Once done, review Quick Add. Mutual friends can resurface removed connections. Also inspect any shared group chats or Snap history where their name might remain. These clues explain why they disappeared and help you decide whether to re-add or message them off-app to confirm. You'll attempt to re-add them by tapping Add or sending a snap. This tests whether they removed you or changed settings. If your request won't send, make sure they haven't blocked you or deleted their account. Blocked users won't appear in search. If they should appear but don't, log out and back in, update Snapchat, or clear the app cache from settings to force a refresh. If problems persist, ask the friend to check their privacy settings or try re-adding from their side as a final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.